Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free diamonds in Gareena Free Fire Max. So as you can see right there, I have a ton of diamonds and money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So keep watching, guys, and you can become the legend in Gareena Free Fire and have a ton of diamonds. So this does not require a jailbreak or a computer. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to become super rich. This is super cool, guys, and it's fully working. So let's get right into the video. Right, guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich in Free Fire Max, and I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of diamonds completely for free. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website. It's called ZooMods, and it has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website where we're going to get this Free Fire Max hack. So let me just type it in right here. So it's ZooMods. So anyways, guys, once you pull up to this website, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Free Fire Max. So let's just wait for that to load here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to give it a second. So Free Fire Max, and as you can see, guys, it says Free Fire Max mod. So just go ahead and press on that and wait for it to download. If you have a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. So anyways, guys, it's super cool, and you can become a Gareena Free Fire master. So I'm going to go to the App Store and show you guys that this is super expensive. So let me just type it in. So Free Fire. And as you can see, guys, when we type in Gareena Free Fire and we find the game, you guys can see that it is super expensive. So if we go to in-app purchases, as you can see, guys, look at that. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane. It actually works. So if you do need some money, guys, this is the video. So yeah, I'm really happy with this version, to be honest with you guys, because it actually works. There's no jailbreaking involved or anything annoying like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Gareena Free Fire modded version, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel, and this is super cool, guys. So if you need this, I'm here to present it to you. So I'm going to see you guys later, and yes, it's super cool, guys, and it actually works. So enjoy the video, and peace out.